Hello, today I would like to say a few words about not available error in Excel. How to use it when you want to achieve not available result as a result of a function. I will show you my screen with Excel. As you can see, we have a table here. In this table, we have salary amount and also a small function that calculates if the salary is above or below the average of all salary results. If the salary is above the average, which is calculated in here, the result is correct. If it's not, we want to achieve not available result. But in this case, we have an error which is called name. Why? The problem is how it has been written. So this example is unfortunately incorrect. How it should be written? The correct version of not available looks like this. Not. Okay. Let's confirm it. Yes, so that's how it should look like. The other thing what we can do in this place is not to use not available function, but the text. We can also just simply write not available. And as a result, we will have simply text. If you want to apply this function to the rest of our cells, we can simply click on this little square at the bottom right corner, hold it, and move our mouse to the rest of the cells. As you can see, the solution is very simple. In my private opinion, it's better to use text like not applicable, not available, not using error as a result of a function. I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and see you soon in the next Excel tips.